everyone, welcome back to the lab. Today we are learning to write the letter F in cursive. All that means is that it's going to be joined up when you start writing it with other letters to form a word. So it's one that people find a bit tricky, and it can be, but the more you practice it, the easier it's going to get. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to trace it. So we start off here and we go up and around, and then you've got to do a really straight line to the bottom, and then you go around in the other direction. So it's almost a little bit like a number 8, but not quite. It's a wiggly and squiggly one. Oh, that was a tongue twister. And it can be quite tricky. So lots of practice needed for this one. And then before you know it, you'll find it really easy. So we trace it and then we're going to copy it. So we're going to go sort of across and up and around and then down. And then back around in the other direction. Okay, next challenge. You're going to cover it up and write it from memory. So we're going to go up and around, then down again, then the other way to go around. Okay, finally, the fun part. You're going to have a go at writing this with your eyes closed. So pop your pen in the start position, close those eyes. So I'm going to go up and around. Nice straight line down. Yes, I have got my eyes closed, and back around and across. Not too bad. I can still see that that is a letter F. So yeah, that's not too bad. I can see that my hand is starting to learn the shape of that letter when I've got my eyes closed. Now, if this letter needs a bit more practice, that's okay. What you might want to do is get your grown-up to write it a few times so you can trace it. There's no need to rush through to the point where you're going to write it on the line. Just practice the shape first, and it will get easier. When it does start to feel a bit easier, you're going to have a go at writing it on the line. Now, the letter F is a bit of an unusual letter because not only does it go up into the upper zone, which is up here, but it dips down below the line into the lower zone, and I'll show you what I mean. So as always with our cursive writing, we start off on the line. We're going to go up through the middle zone into this upper zone here. We are then going to go down into this lower zone, and then you cross over at the point where this line is. Let's try it again. So we're going to go up and around into the upper zone. Line coming all the way down, dip into that lower zone, then up and across where the line is. And you might actually find this easier to practice writing it on a line rather than just on plain paper, because you can see where you need to start and you can then see at the point where this needs to come around and go across. So let's keep going. So up into the upper zone and around, straight back down, and then across, and again. Okay, so this is our wiggly and squiggly one, very swirly, and as you can see when I'm showing you how to do this, it's helpful to have a go at writing this a little bit slower until it starts to feel easier, and then you can write it faster. When you feel like you're getting the hang of that, and it does feel easier, your next step is to have a go at writing it and say the letter sound and the letter name. So you're going to do F is F. Is F. Is F. There you go. When you've written a full line of Fs, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to be the teacher. Have a look at yours and see which one you think looks the best. I'm looking carefully at mine because mine, when I look at them, they all look a little bit different today. I think this one is the best. Have a look at yours, see which one you think is best and give it a tick. Have you done it? Brilliant. Well done. So you today have done something amazing. You have written the letter F, and it's one of those letters that goes into the upper zone and the lower zone, and you've done it. So you're just an absolute superstar. Keep practicing that, just a minute or 2 minutes every day, and in no time you will be an F writing superstar. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you again next week. Bye.